Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Fortunately, making simple changes to your diet can help reduce your risk of developing heart disease and improve your overall health. In this video, we will explore 10 tips for making heart-healthy substitutions in your favorite recipes. By following these tips, you can transform your favorite dishes into healthy, delicious meals that will nourish your body and protect your heart. So let's get started and discover how to make heart-healthy substitutions in your recipes. 1. Choose leaner meats. Leaner meats are a great source of protein without the added fat and calories that come with red meat. Poultry, fish, and tofu are all excellent options for lean protein sources. Chicken breast, turkey, and fish such as salmon, tuna, or cod are all great choices that are low in fat and high in protein. Tofu is a fantastic plant-based option that is low in fat and contains all the essential amino acids that our bodies need. By choosing leaner meats as your protein source, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health. 2. Use plant-based oils. Plant-based oils are a healthier alternative to butter or lard, which are high in saturated and trans fats. Olive, canola, and avocado oils are excellent choices for cooking, as they are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is especially high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. When choosing plant-based oils, look for options that are cold-pressed or unrefined, as they retain more of their natural nutrients. By swapping out butter or lard for healthier plant-based oils, you can make your meals more heart-healthy and delicious at the same time. 3. Add more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are an essential part of a heart-healthy diet. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals is easy and delicious. Try adding spinach, kale, or other leafy greens to your salads and smoothies. Add sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, or bell peppers to your sandwiches or wraps. Include fresh or frozen berries in your yogurt or oatmeal. The options are endless. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures that you get a wide range of nutrients that your body needs. So, make sure to add more fruits and veggies to your meals, and your heart will thank you. 4. Use whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for heart health. Choosing whole grain options for your bread, pasta, and rice can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. Whole grain options include whole wheat bread, whole grain pasta, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These options are higher in fiber and other essential nutrients than their refined counterparts. When shopping for whole grain products, make sure to read the labels and choose options that are high in fiber and have minimal added sugars or sodium. By choosing whole grains, you can make your meals more nutritious and delicious at the same time. 5. Reduce sodium. Reducing sodium intake is an important part of a heart-healthy diet. Too much sodium in the diet can increase blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Instead of adding salt to your meals, try using herbs, spices, and citrus juices to add flavor. Garlic, ginger, basil, thyme, and rosemary are just a few examples of flavorful herbs that can be used to season meals. Spices like cumin, paprika, and turmeric also add depth of flavor to dishes. Lemon, lime, or orange juice can add a tangy flavor to your meals while also providing some vitamin C. By using herbs, spices, and citrus juices to add flavor, you can reduce your sodium intake and make your meals more delicious and nutritious. 6. Choose low-fat dairy. Choosing low-fat dairy products is a great way to reduce your intake of saturated fat, which can contribute to heart disease. Low-fat or fat-free dairy products contain the same amount of calcium and other essential nutrients as full-fat versions but with less fat and fewer calories. When cooking or baking, you can substitute low-fat milk, yogurt, or cheese for their full-fat counterparts. Low-fat or fat-free Greek yogurt, for example, can be used in place of sour cream in many recipes. Low-fat milk can be used in place of cream in soups or sauces. And low-fat cheese can be used in place of full-fat cheese in pizza or pasta dishes. By choosing low-fat dairy products, you can still enjoy the creamy, delicious taste you love while supporting your heart health. 7. Reduce sugar. Reducing sugar intake is important for maintaining a healthy heart. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of heart disease. Instead of using white sugar, try using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to sweeten your recipes. These sweeteners are less processed and contain more nutrients than white sugar. They also have a lower glycemic index, which means they are less likely to cause blood sugar spikes. When baking, you can substitute honey or maple syrup for sugar in many recipes. You can also add these natural sweeteners to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie for a sweet and nutritious breakfast. By reducing your sugar intake and choosing natural sweeteners, you can support your heart health while still satisfying your sweet tooth. 8. Use egg whites. Using egg whites instead of whole eggs is an excellent way to reduce your intake of cholesterol and saturated fat, which can contribute to heart disease. Egg whites are a good source of protein and are low in calories, making them a great addition to many meals. When cooking, you can substitute egg whites for whole eggs in many recipes. For example, you can use egg whites in omelets, scrambled eggs, and even baked goods like muffins and cakes. To substitute, use 2 egg whites for each whole egg called for in the recipe. By using egg whites instead of whole eggs, you can reduce your intake of cholesterol and saturated fat while still enjoying your favorite dishes. 9. Swap out cream. Swapping out cream for low-fat yogurt or skim milk is an easy way to reduce your intake of saturated fat and calories. Cream is high in saturated fat, which can increase cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease. Low-fat yogurt and skim milk are excellent substitutes that can help you achieve the same creamy texture in your recipes without the added fat. When cooking, you can substitute low-fat yogurt or skim milk for cream in many recipes. For example, you can use low-fat yogurt in place of sour cream in dips or as a topping for baked potatoes. Skim milk can be used in place of cream in soups or sauces. By using low-fat yogurt or skim milk in your recipes, you can reduce your intake of saturated fat and calories while still enjoying the same delicious flavors and textures. 10. Use non-stick cooking spray. Using non-stick cooking spray instead of oil or butter is an excellent way to reduce your intake of calories and fat while cooking. Oil and butter are high in calories and fat, which can contribute to weight gain and heart disease. Non-stick cooking spray is a healthier alternative that allows you to cook your favorite foods without adding extra fat and calories. When baking or cooking, you can use non-stick cooking spray to grease pans, baking sheets, or griddles. This will help prevent food from sticking while also reducing your intake of added fat and calories. By using non-stick cooking spray instead of oil or butter, you can create delicious, healthy meals that support your heart health. Thank you for joining us in this video on how to make heart-healthy substitutions in your favorite recipes. By making these simple changes to your diet, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health. Remember to incorporate lean meats, plant-based oils, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy, and natural sweeteners into your meals. And don't forget to reduce sodium, cholesterol, and sugar whenever possible. With these tips, you can create delicious and healthy meals that your heart will thank you for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on living a healthy lifestyle.